Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic WPS Office document how to add line across page. So if you want to add line across page, you can type minus and then you can press enter. It will be create line across page. You can type again triple minus and then press enter. If you want to create double line, you can type equal triple and then you can press enter. And the next, if you want to create dash line, you can type star 3 times and then you can press enter. Okay, that's it for a basic WPS Word tutorial. Okay, that's it for basic WPS Office documents, how to add line across page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.